Hello and welcome to our GoPro Hero 9 Black unboxing. This is the bundle edition, which comes with a bunch of accessories for the GoPro. Let's open it from here. Okay. And let's take out this protective case. It is the first time GoPro decides to include a protective case in its package. And let's open it. The first thing that we're gonna see is this 32 gigs micro SD card. Some instructions, subscribe to GoPro, and another instruction manual. Let's put this to the side here. Here we have this clamp that you can attach to a cap or your backpack. It also has a magnet for your car or different magnetic surfaces. 2 GoPro batteries. The new GoPro Hero 9 batteries are a bit larger than the past ones. We have here 2 mounts, different sizes, and 2 thumb screws for them. And we also have this adhesive mount for helmets, bike helmets. Also this floating grip for divers and swimmers, it floats. Okay, in this black box we have a USB to USB Type-C cable for charging up your GoPro. Nice. And lastly we have the GoPro Hero 9 itself. It has a bigger screen, a front-facing screen for the first time in a GoPro, 23 megapixel sensor, and yeah, it's definitely the biggest upgrade for GoPro in the last 6 years. So this is the camera. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.